Hello and welcome once again to another iSaham video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how you can modify your orders. First, you're gonna have to go to order status, click on here, and as you can see I have Nestle over here, set it at 146 as the buying price. I would like to change that to 150. Just click at this little button over here, modify order, and we have the quantity, which I'm gonna remain at 1, and price we're gonna switch to 150. Okay, that's it, and just click OK. And there you go, it shows at last status that order has been modified. Furthermore, there's some extra information that you can take in. For an example, you can check on order properties by clicking here, and it'll tell you all of the details of your order. As you can see right here, after just modifying our order, we have reached the last status of all match within 10-20 seconds. I think that's all for today. Thank you very much and happy trading.